everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple contact form. So first, you go to plugins, here, add new plugin, and search for a plugin called Forminator. So I'm going to click install now and then activate. So once that is done, you scroll down here, down on the left, you click on the Forminator. It's here, and click on forms. Well, so I'm going to click on create form, and it's giving you templates to start with. So you can click any template here to start with. I'm going to just create a form from scratch, so I'm clicking on create blank form, and I'm going to name this form contact us. And I click on create. Once I click on create, you see it's asking me to insert fields. So I'll click on insert fields, and you can see you are presented with a lot of fields here. So I only need the name, phone number, email, and then text area where they can just put a message. These four because I'm creating a simple contact form. So I click on insert fields, and there you go, you have your contact form fields here. So you can just leave it the way it is, but mostly I like to just go in these fields and just to make sure everything works perfectly. So if you want to edit each field, or you just come here to the settings on this gear icon on the right, click on it, and you can see you can say edit. You can edit the field, you can duplicate, and you can delete. So you just want to edit, just click on it. Normally I don't like this appearing on my form, so on the placeholder, so I'll just delete that. You can put a description, it's optional. You can say enter your full name, so that users are guided on what to enter on that form. So enter full name. You can choose to do this or not. Normally I don't, so let's just put it there for the sake of doing it. And then on the settings of this field, you can say if it's required or not. So for me, I'll put required if this field is required. And then styling, you can put you can put styling and all that, visibility. You can add some conditionals, you can add rules here if you want to make it more technical, but it's just a simple contact form, so I'm okay with just setting the rules to required, and that's it. And then I click on apply. I go to the phone number as well, edit field. I remove the placeholder. You can keep it, I don't like it, I just remove it. Description, you can put anything, or you can leave it the way it is. Settings, it's a required field, and then I click on apply. The same for email address, edit field. I remove this placeholder. You can put description if you want. I go to settings, a required field, and I click on apply. And then to the text area, edit field. I remove the placeholder. I don't need it. You can put the description if you want to, it's optional. On description, you can put the description, is optional. You go to settings, and then you can say is it required or not. For this one, I'll just not put required, I'll leave it the way it is and just click on apply, and that's it. And then I'll come here on the appearance. Here you can just change the colors of field, how it looks like. It can be worked from here. Normally I just like working with the default values, but you can always come here to change the colors by clicking on the custom, and you can see there's the form container. You can change the form container colors, you can change the field colors, anything else from here as well. On the fonts, just click on the custom, and you can change the everything on the fonts of the response message here. For example, you can change the fonts of the feed labels from here, this font size, everything. Just can play around with it. The form contain as well, you can, if you want to change the padding, the border, you can just come to custom and put whatever you want, but for now I'll just leave it the way it is because it's just a simple contact us form. And then I go to the behavior, click here on the behavior, and you can see when the user submits the form, they normally get a message after submission, so you can just click on it just to see what it's showing. So when the user click submit, you can either choose to have them see this message, or you can put your desired message. You can choose to have the user be redirected to a different page. When they click on submit, you just put the link here of the page that you want them to go to, or you can just choose here from this option on the same page or on a new tab. You can just play around with it. You can choose to hide the form and just display the message. So the user, after clicking submit, they'll see this message only without the form. So once you choose your desired settings here, you just click on apply, and that's it, it's done. And then I'll work with here email notifications. This is when the user has sent the form already. So you can choose either to receive the message from the website, or as well you can choose to add another one for the user. So you just come and add email notification, click on it. So you can just say this is for the user. Just you can put anything here, it's not showing on the anywhere on the website. Just say for the user, and you can just say thank you for contacting us, and then you can put your message here for the user, like so. Here you can say, you can put a message or on where you want the on how you want the user to receive the message, the kind of message you want them to receive. You can make it as specific as possible. For example, if I want to make it like targeting that user, their name, I'll just click here on insert form field. I just say dear insert form field and name. So it will go, if the user was Mary, it will go dear Mary. If the user was John, it will go dear John. And then you can enter your message here. Like, once that is done, you can choose who is going to receive this email, the recipient of this email, which now you just come and click here, insert form fields, and that is the email address of the user. So once that is done, click on add. That's it. So this email will go to the user, and then if you want the email to go to you, or you can still do the same. So this message is for the admin. And then you can just insert the message that has been submitted with the users. So just click on insert and then all form fields. So with this tag, it means the admin will receive the message that the user has submitted through the form. So they'll receive the name, email, phone number, and message with this tag. So once that is done, you come to the recipient of the email, and you can write the email of the admin that you want them to receive the message. So you can have multiple email addresses, just separate them with a comma. So for example, I'll write my email, Mary, and then if I want a different admin to receive as well, I just add another one. I'll just say John. Okay, let me use My other email address, it is usa@gmail.com, and then I click on add. So I think we're all set. We have set the form fields. You've changed the appearance of the form, the behavior on how the form will appear, will behave after submission. So it's as simple as that. Once that is done, you can preview your form to see how it looks like. So you just come here and click on preview, and this is how our form looks like. So just close the preview and click on publish so that it can go live. So once you click on publish, now the form is publishing, and you can see here we've been given a shortcode. You copy the shortcode and you can place this form. Because it's a contact for us form, you can put it under the contact page on your website. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to just use a sample page of my website to show you how this form is placed on the front end. So I'll go to pages, all pages. I have this page here, test page, that I normally like to use. So I'm going just to edit the Elementor, open it. So on this page, I'm going to add our form. So I'll just come here and look for shortcode. Search from here, shortcode. Drag it here. And then I copy my shortcode here. Click on apply. And our form is here. So I'll just click on publish. And then preview changes. And our form is here, our contact form is here. So I'll just trust it. I'll put my name. And I click on send message. And the form has been submitted successfully. So let's just check if I've received the notification as per our setting. So I will check my email as a user. See, I've received the notification. Thank you for contacting us. And I'll check my email as an admin to see if I received the email as well, the form as well. As an admin, I received the whole form information. So you can see it's working, and that's just how simple it is to make a contact form. Of course, with Forminator plugin, there's so much you can do with this form. You can make it as customized as possible. You can customize it as much as possible to your own preferences. So that was just a simple contact form. You can make as complex form as you want. You can make your form as complex as you want. So feel free to explore. And if you have any questions, let me know on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.